Hello guys, this is the third lecture of QuickBook Online, and today we are going to discuss how to open an account in QuickBook Online and how can we rename any account and how can we delete any account. First of all, go to the Accounting tab and select Chart of Accounts option. This option is also available in Setting option. This is called our gear button, right? Select Chart of Account option. Chart of accounts will be appear in our screen. Some accounts is already opened by default and you can easily rename or delete any account. But remember, you can delete only those accounts which balance is zero. First of all, go to the accounts history and select make inactive option. The message window will be appear on the screen. Click yes option. If you want to search any account, click on search box at here and type bank. All banks related accounts are appear on screen. Go to the run report and select edit option. And in name box, type HBL and then select save and close button. Now this account is renamed, means new name is bank charges HBL. If you want to open any new account, go to the new button. The new account form will be appear on the screen. Now we are going to open bank account, type and select all account type lists are available in drop down menu. We will select in this list cash and cash equivalent and then detail type select bank option. In name box option and type bank HBL account number 1123. This is our HBL account number. You can select date option, which date your account will be open. I select 1st January 2021 and click save and close button. Now our HBL account is now open. Go to the search box and type HBL. We can see easily our new account is appear bank HBL account number 1123. You can easily open an account in QuickBook Online through this procedure. If you like this video, please share this video on social media accounts. We are also providing virtual bookkeeping service in very nominal prices. For bookkeeping service, visit our parkbookkeepingservice.com. Website link is available in the video description. Okay guys, have a nice day.